video, I'm going to talk to you about 3 of my favorite ways on how I get my clients. Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Geline. This is Freelancer Wow. I'm recording this video in a cafe called, let me see if I can, yep, South Cafe. This is in Bacoor, Cavite, where I am currently based. First way is to pitch face-to-face to, I don't know, maybe restaurants or coffee shops, or any business, local business that you have. I think that's the easiest way to do it, because you can directly go to the area or to the business establishment and then pitch whatever service that you are offering. And there's something about seeing the person like face to face, because you can get the vibe of the person, like the aura of the person, and then you can get the feel of if you want to work with that person or not. So I think that if you're starting out, that this is the best way. I discussed in a previous video how I got my first client as a social media manager. I will link it up here. You can watch that after watching this video. After what happened to that, I also got another client, but that was through cold pitching. So it was a restaurant in Iloilo. I just went in there and then I introduced myself. Hi, I'm Geline and I offer this, blah, 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 blah. Then I said, can I talk to the manager or the owner of the restaurant? It made things easier because it was the owner. So. And so that's it. The owner gladly talked to me, and then we kind of hit it off easily. I showed him my resume and all that, and then also some work that I did on social media. He was like, oh, I didn't know that this kind of services exist. He ended up hiring my services. So his restaurant was my first ever gig that I pitched, like just cold pitching. I didn't know the owner, I didn't know anyone from the restaurant. I just came there and presented myself. Number 2 is to go to websites or platforms that offer freelancing services. Of course, the most popular would be Upwork.com. It's for everyone, but to me, I personally don't like Upwork because there's too much competition. You will get a cut from your earnings. But if you are a Filipino, you can try out onlinejobs.ph. I personally love that website. That's where I found most of my clients when I was first starting out. So it's pretty reliable and the clients there are awesome. Third way is to pitch to your target client online. I personally like working with bloggers, with women bloggers. That's just my thing, I guess, because I like to empower. My tagline is women empowerment aside from digital marketing, so that's why maybe I also like working with women. So if you are like me, because here are my services. Sorry, I'm all over the place, but here are my services. I do freelance writing and I do social media marketing. And coaching, but let's not really talk about the coaching, because the coaching is just a new gig for me that I'm doing right now. So let's just talk about freelance writing and social media marketing. So I can just go to a certain website or a certain blog that I think I would like to work with, and then look for any email address of a person that I would like, or I would have to get in touch with. If it's personal blog, then the blogger herself, and then just pitch to her my services. Maybe she is also looking into hiring someone. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next one.